Hey, this is Mylifeonblog and this is my life on Roblox. Say hi.
What's up, people of YouTube?
Today I'll be doing the punch test. So I'll be punching him right on his face. Yeah, so let's do it. What? Okay, that thing was really bad. Second try. Your reaction is fast lah. His reaction not that fast, so another try. One more try.
What?
This is the last try. Your reflexes must be really good.
You want to on it?
Yeah, that's it. Goodbye.